In front of me is Motorola Moto G04 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by launching Settings and clicking on Connected Devices right away. Following that, tap on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, click on this gear right next to your device and choose Forget next to connect. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!